He is big old booty. Hi guys. Look who I have here. Hi. So this is my twin sister, Martha. For those who are new, I'm Mary. This is Martha.
Hi everyone.
And I'm going to transform her a bit. She really doesn't wear a lot of makeup. And the makeup that she does have, I purchased it for her, my wedding. Guess who did her makeup?
I'm supposed to be doing her makeup.
Yeah, she's supposed to be helping me and I'm helping her. Look at this. I don't understand people.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, you really don't.
You really don't. You really don't.
Where's your eyeliner?
The magic eyeliner.
I don't know what I'm doing. At all. No clue at all. Guys, struggle looks real right now, doesn't it? But we're gonna make this work. We are going to look. What is it on fleek?
Snatched.
Snatched.
That's
no,
right.
no. The snatch is for the body.
Fleeky.
Whatever the sassy word is.
Really soon.
Okay.
Look at the girls. Are they cute? Look at the cutie pies. Hey. Say hi. She did some of it, but I did the majority of it during the time that I'm supposed to be doing mine. Yeah, so we gotta help her out. So today, I'm gonna transform her a bit. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with her hair just yet, but we're gonna see. So you all watch. I hope that you enjoy. Leave a comment down in the comment section. And what are we gonna do?
Subscribe, right?
Subscribe and like. Let's get into the video. All right, you just slapped me in the face with that. Sorry about that. You don't have makeup wipes?
No, ma'am.
I use a rag.
You use a rag.
Mm-hmm. Very different.
Okay.
Professional. All right. So I'm gonna prime your face first.
Oh, that feels good. Keep it coming.
Sure. It's not gonna bother you. This is how I do it.
Interesting.
Do you use a brush?
Yeah.
I don't.
So how do you do it?
I do it like this. I just kind of pour it onto my skin. It's not gonna fall.
Oh, I need one of those. Where'd you get that from?
Vanity Planet.
Girl, I think I saw one of them on at Dollar Tree.
They have oval brushes. I'm not sure if they have them on Walmart or Walgreens, but lots of places have them.
Mm-hmm.
I just don't know about like places around here that have them. Okay, got your foundation done. What color foundation do you wear? What shade?
355.
I don't wear that.
360.
I wear 368, and that's what I'm putting on your skin. Look, it matches. How do people do this, man? I hate this. You hate what? Wearing makeup. These lashes being so glam. It's like subtle over time. What do you think about that color? Okay. You don't like it? You don't expect me to wear this tonight, do you? Martha, I'm not done. Your lips are gonna look like mine. You like the color I wear, right? That's on you. Huh? It's nice on you. What? Martha, I'm gonna lighten it up because you don't. How's your hair? I wish the lighting was better so we could really see what it looks like.
Auntie Mary.
What do you say?
You look the same.
You thought she was me.
You know how to say eyeshadow, but I say.
I did her makeup like mine. She didn't like it as dark, so I kind of lightened it up some though. So we're gonna be installing this full lace Her Given Hair unit, and this one is a coily texture. I do need to refresh it a bit. Martha's had it for over 6 months. 6 or 7 months. It looks good, but I need to refresh it. So I'm gonna do that now. All right, and we're gonna install it. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna change her wig cap. She had on a black one. I'm gonna put on one that's her scalp color. I'm gonna spray the Sally Hansen on the inside. Martha hadn't done that or bleached the knots or anything. The knots have been lightly bleached, but we do need to add some color to the lace, so I'm gonna do that.
Auntie Mary, is Bobby gonna wear that at Auntie Devin's? Bobby, say you're wearing that to Auntie Devin's house.
Tell it up. I said I might change my top, darling. Carry on. In Jesus' name.
Say your shirt.
Yes. You're right. That is correct.
Say you're gonna keep that makeup.
Taylor, is that okay with you?
Yes. You do mommy makeup.
Do you like it, baby?
Yeah.
I'm glad you like it.
You do my makeup.
Mommy's an adult. You're too little. You're too little for makeup. Say okay. Yes. Why you getting in the chair? You think I'm about to do yours?
Yeah.
No, we gotta do mommy's. All right, y'all. So we're gonna officially get into the installation and also refreshing of Martha's coily full lace unit from Her Given Hair. Recording at her house was quite interesting, to say the least, with the kids and everything. We had some time alone with my husband actually taking the kids to Chick-fil-A, but once they got back, listen, it was a challenge. But this is what her unit looks like. Once again, she's had it for about 6 to 7 months. It looks great, but Martha hasn't been moisturizing the unit as she should, and also washing it and just making sure that it is maintained as well as possible. So I am going to refresh it, and I actually wish I had more time with the unit because there was some additional areas in the unit that I just didn't get a chance to do because we had somewhere to go. But I am going to show you all quickly how you can refresh your unit. As you see with Martha's unit, these units last a while. I've had mine for over a year and it still looks great. I don't have all of my regular materials as I stated in my last video, so it was quite interesting trying to figure out where to actually put her mannequin head. She doesn't have a mannequin head like I do with the stand. So yeah, I'm gonna actually install the unit on her head and then go about refreshing the unit. That just made it easier for us. God bless you, girl. You looking like me. Alrighty. As you all can see, sometimes it even gets me how much we look alike. Her kids often say to her, especially when she has on makeup and everything, "You look just like Auntie Mary." It's so funny. Yeah, but right now I'm just applying the Got2b glue in the yellow bottle and I'm putting this around her entire hairline. And for some reason, my sweet sister did not have a blow dryer with the cool setting. I don't understand that. Y'all get a blow dryer with the cool setting, especially if you wear wigs. So I ended up having a fan where I placed the Got2b glue until it got tacky and then I moved it forward. I generally don't have to do that, but she made it difficult for me. Now that I've fanned until my hands were tired and the Got2b glue gel is now tacky, I can move it forward. And I did have Martha assist me during this process. She got a little overzealous because we didn't have much time and she's just like, "Girl, you gotta hurry up." So she moved it up for me and I just repositioned it to make sure that it was fully covering her hairline. When Martha wears the unit, she sometimes pulls it back some and then she has to overcompensate with the baby hair. So make sure when you're wearing these units that you pull it over your hairline. You don't have to have any of your hair exposed, and that's going to help the unit to look more natural. After it's covering your hairline and the Got2b glue and everything is placed correctly, then press into the lace with a fine-tooth comb, the back of it. And after you've done that, you can take out a little bit of baby hair, but you do not need really pronounced, just over the top baby hair. It's not necessary. It won't help the unit to look as natural as it came. So I'm just going to do some minimal baby hair and then I'm going to actually increase her parting space. And don't worry about the extra gel that might spill over onto your skin or your hairline. You can clean that up later. So now that we finished working on the baby hair, we can begin working on the part. She was not taking advantage of the fact that it's a full lace. So I'm going to part her hair off and make sure it's feathered back. And then I'm going to actually go about moisturizing the hair and refreshing the curls. I just want you to know that you are really special. I'm going to spray some water on the hair and apply more of the curl defining glaze. I'm going to apply some curl defining glaze. This is the best product to refresh this hair. So great. Okay, so she has water in this bottle already. I'm going to add some aloe vera juice and then I'm going to spray it on the hair and apply this product. Aloe vera juice is going to be great for preserving moisture and helping this product to really do what it's supposed to do, especially because of the environment that she lives in. So Martha already has water and olive oil in this bottle, so now I'm just going to add some aloe vera juice and begin spraying it on the hair. And you want to spray a good amount and then follow it up with the curl defining glaze. After you've sprayed the water and olive oil and the aloe vera juice, you can begin detangling the hair. And as you can see, after 6-7 months, this hair looks really good. It's held up very nicely. See, this unit has experienced some tangling, but mostly on the ends, you can see these little buds or knots rather that have begun to form. And this is truly just a result of limited moisturization and also detangling. You can detangle the unit easily by using your fingers or using a Denman brush or some form of detangling brush. As you all have seen from this video, my sister has a lot going on. She has 5 girls, so she doesn't really create time to do all this, but when I saw it, I had to get my hands on this unit and help her out. After applying moisture, many of the tangles are gonna come out easily, but there are gonna be some that you're just gonna have to pull and you're gonna be left with a bud. So I had to do that for some of the hair because it was just too damaged, but most of it, that really wasn't required. So after applying moisture and using my fingers to detangle, I'm going to apply the curl defining glaze, and this is really going to help to define the curls, also provide a great deal of shine and make the hair so much more pliable.
Mommy.
Am I crying?
Yeah.
No, I'm not crying.
You cry, Auntie Baby.
No, baby.
Auntie Dede die.
He's not crying, and it's not Auntie JJ. It's Uncle JJ.
Me, Auntie Mommy.
Mommy.
Yes.
Silly girl.
Auntie Mommy hair.
I'm gonna do my hair.
Yeah. My
These ends, you for sure have to make sure you detangle these. I'm gonna cut them off.
Okay.
All done?
Huh?
All done?
I'm not doing it.
Not done yet. Silly girl. What do you guys think?
Mommy is so beautiful. Mommy, so beautiful.
You're so
Thank
funny.
you. Bye.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.